Team, today we're gonna be seasoning up my brand new 28-inch Blackstone Culinary Series griddle / air fryer combo coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Welcome to my backyard. We're not in the kitchen today, we're outside. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, so what are we doing here today? Guys, I got my hands on this 28-inch Blackstone Griddle air fryer combo. Now I got this because I just recently got the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle, and I wanted to be able to do a couple comparisons, show you the benefits of both, if there's some things in one's favor or the other. Now I have other little Blackstone griddles. I have a couple 17-inch ones, but I didn't really feel like that was gonna be a good comparison with the larger Pit Boss griddle, the Ultimate Griddle. Instead, we have the 20-inch griddle. I figured the air fryer, might as well get it. I'm always cooking on the air fryers and the Foodies, so what the hell. All right, so today I'm just showing you how we season up the griddle. Okay, we're not gonna do anything else besides get it ready for the first cook, for the first comparison. I know there are 1,000 how to season your Blackstone griddles videos out there, and here's one more. So stick around to the end. Might as well watch it since you're here, right? First thing we're gonna do is give the griddle surface a good cleaning, and then we're gonna start the seasoning process, okay? Really simple video. Come on over here. For my seasoning process, I'm gonna use the flaxseed oil. I know Blackstone puts out a little compound that you can get at like Walmart or whatever. But this is just what I had in the house, so that's what we're gonna use. So it's really simple. I got some nice shop towels here. These ones are lint free, so they're gonna be good for the seasoning process. But that's it. Let's get the seasoning started, all right? Got some soapy water here and just a dishcloth. Gonna go ahead and get that wet. I know there's other options for cleaning, but for me, just some regular old Dawn, some Dawn dish soap works for me. So you're getting all the surface areas. All right, and then we got some clean water. Get that soap off. We're getting all the factory grease off, the factory residues. There was little bits of cast iron in there that we're getting off. All right, now we're gonna start to heat up this griddle. I'm gonna turn them both on high. I already had the gas turned on in there. We're gonna heat this up so all that water evaporates. And once it gets mega hot, we'll start adding our flaxseed oil, okay? Then once we add that oil, we're gonna get it spread everywhere on the surface, and then we're gonna let it burn off. You'll see a bunch of smoke come off, and we're gonna do that about 4 or 5 times until I feel it's nice and slick. Once we get done with the burn off process, okay, and once we get that seasoning done, got all that oil in there, we're gonna add onions as our first cook, okay? So I got just a regular 1 sweet onion in here, sliced up. I'm gonna go ahead and keep using the flaxseed oil. You can use olive oil, whatever. I was one of the ones that every time I seasoned my Blackstone, I would use bacon, okay? Now, I watched the queen of all Blackstones, Blackstone Betty, do her seasoning process, and she said to use onions because the sulfurs in there. Sulfurs in the onions help kind of combine and polymerize the oils to the griddle, make it a lot smoother surface, okay? So if the queen of all Blackstones says to use onions as your first cook, who am I to judge? Who am I to argue? You know damn well that some bacon's gonna get on this thing, but if Blackstone Buddy says it, we're gonna go off of what she says, right? So this is heating up. Come on over here and let's start the seasoning process. Okay, team, we're nice and hot. All the water's evaporated. I'm gonna add a little bit of the flaxseed oil and then get it rubbed in. I think I'm gonna use something else besides this spatula. Okay, first coat on, we're gonna let it burn off. All right, you can see that it's browning up in there. This is gonna turn pretty much full black by the time we get done. That's just part of the process. You can see some smoke coming off of it already, and that's just the oil burning off. Another couple minutes and we'll add more oil to it. Okay, the smoke has basically disappeared, so we're gonna add another coating of oil. I'm at an angle where I'm shooting right now. This is not where this is gonna stay. All right, so we're getting everywhere we can on this grill. All right, 5 more minutes and we'll come back with another coat. All right, we're ready for the third coat. Get some more of that oil on. Look how fast it's running now once that fire gets a little hot. All right, I've already, coat all the surfaces. On this particular Blackstone, I cannot get the outside of this because it has the wind guards on it, but I can get the back and the sides. Right, we're gonna let that burn off. We'll come back again. Right, coat number 4. Most of the smoke is gone, so we're just gonna go ahead and add another layer. Now we're smoking. Woo. Okay, last coat. All right, so that's 5 coats to pretty much get it where we want it to be. Next up, we'll just fire up them onions. Okay, team, we've done 5 coats. Looking nice and shiny. Things pretty much burned off, a little bit of smoke. But let's add the onions in. Get a little more oil up here. Add our onions. Now for me, this is just a sacrificial onion. Like, I'm not cooking this to eat or anything. I'm just doing what Blackstone Betty says. I'm just getting the onions all over the place. I'm just gonna keep mixing them around. Let the juices, oils, polymers, sulfur, whatever, all that scientific stuff that we talked about. All right, we're gonna let these go. Come on back. Team, we're done. It's nice and seasoned up. The onions are done. Everything's all taken care of. Blackstone is synonymous with quality on griddles, so this thing's gonna last forever, I'm sure of it. I can't wait to get into the actual comparisons between the old school Blackstone and the new school Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. So make sure you subscribe and stick around for those. I think they both have amazing qualities, and I can't wait to show you both. That's it for this one. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out with CJ. Cheers.